question, Krishna. So, if you are a developer, I would actually encourage you to, first of all, create your own website, create your own brand. Secondly, Krishna, what I would encourage you to do is start working as a freelancer. Create your profile on Upwork.com and try and bid on some projects over there. So that's a good way to get some freelancing gigs. So once you start working as a freelancer, once you start getting some leads from there, I think that's a good idea. The next thing that you could do is that once you have created your brand, like your company, what you could do is you could reach out to people on LinkedIn. Now, when I'm talking about reaching out, जब मैं अपना business start कर रहा था, I was reaching out to what like 50-100 people every single day. And then I was doing it every single day. तो मैं online भी LinkedIn पे भी reach out कर रहा था. मैं तो जा जाके जो है वो अपने business cards भी जो है वो दे रहा था. So right now it's pandemic, so you cannot go out and meet a lot of people. But what you can do is you can spend 2 or 3 hours on LinkedIn every single day. First of all, आप अपनी LinkedIn profile जो है, just make sure that you put it in headline that I'm actually available to work and I'm looking for work opportunities. Tell them what type of development company you have started, and then reach out to at least 100 existing agencies that are out there. Indian agencies को contact मत करिए, बाहर की जो भी agencies हों, उनके CEOs को, उनके CTOs को, उनके founders को आप contact करिए. Just reach out to them and develop connections, genuine connections every single day. जब आप उनको reach out कर रहे हैं, so do not say I've got a company, we do this and this work, please give us job opportunity. No one is going to do that. What you have to do is, Krishna, you have to build a genuine connection first. उस बंदे की profile पे जाइए, look at their profile, read what's written, look at what they have done, and then send them a message saying, hey Amir, I have looked at your profile, I found it really inspiring, and the work that you have done on ComWriter project is absolutely amazing. I would love to, and then tell them about yourself, that I have just founded a development company and I would love to learn from your experiences and have a discussion with you. So that's how you reach out to them. Then you start chatting with them on LinkedIn, and then you ask them for a Zoom call. Then say, can we set up a Zoom call? Again, rather than selling them your service, you tell them about who you are, build that trust, and then ask them, can you please give me like a small project that I can work with? Give it to me for free so that I can get started. And if you like my work, then you can offer me more work. That's how you do it. बट आपको ये करना है स्केल पर. पता है कितने स्केल पे? You should be reaching out to 100 people every single day. रोज आइए, बैठिए 2 घंटे शाम में लैपटॉप पे, reach out to 100 people every single day for the next 30 days. So you would be reaching to 3000 people. और आप सोचो उससे कितनी लीड्स मिलेंगी. लोग क्या करते हैं ना, इसको काफी रोबोटिक तरीके से करते हैं ना, जस्ट सेल्स मैसेज भेजने लगते हैं. ऐसे नहीं होता. You have to be genuine, you have to build genuine connections. Once you build genuine connections, once you build genuine network, then you will be able to do that easily. Secondly, meetup.com is an absolutely amazing resource. उस पे चेकआउट करिए, कोई मीटअप्स हो रहे हैं, अगर वर्चुअल मीटअप्स हो रहे हैं तो अटेंड दोस वर्चुअल मीटअप्स. Go, if there are pandemic खुल जाता है तो go with your business cards, share your business card with other people. And the third thing is that ask your connection on LinkedIn to refer them to the other people. For example, अगर आपको कोई बंदा मिलता है LinkedIn पे जो कि डेटा एजेंसी से रिलेटेड है, एंड यू वांट टू रीच आउट टू देम, एंड दैट पर्सन इज योर सेकेंडरी कनेक्शन, तो ये चेक करिए कि उनके और आपके बीच में कौन म्यूचुअल कनेक्शन है. एंड वंस यू हैव आइडेंटिफाइड दैट म्यूचुअल कनेक्शन, देन ask that mutual connection to refer you to them. And by doing that, by asking them to refer to them, what you're doing is you're developing that bridge, you're developing that referral, and now the other person would be willing to talk to you because you are coming from a trustworthy source. So use your LinkedIn very well. If you are using, you can generate a huge amount of business just by using LinkedIn properly. I think people don't realize how important it is to do that.